Hello, welcome back in this tutorial series of Fusion 360 again. Today we will discuss about the revolve command. To explain the revolve command, here I am taking three different examples. First one is a solid cylinder, second one is a hollow cylinder, and third one is a torus. Here I am explaining the revolve command step by step. To create a solid cylinder, first go to create a sketch, then draw a profile to revolve around an axis. Here I am showing you a cross section of a cylinder along the axis. So as you can see, the cross section is a rectangular. If I revolve this rectangle around this axis, then it will create a solid cylinder. These are the steps you have to follow. First one is go to create a sketch. Then second, draw a profile to revolve around an axis. Then finish the sketch. After finishing the sketch, select the revolve command from the create panel. As you select the revolve command, a pop-up window will appear in front of you. It will ask about the profile. So select the profile. In case of solid cylinder, it will be a rectangle. Then it will ask about the axis. Then select an axis about which you want to revolve that particular profile. Then come on the type, that is angle. You select the angle as the type of revolve. Then select the direction. If you select the direction in one side, two side, or symmetric. I have already explained this direction option available in the extrude command. In the same way it will act in the revolve command. And then press OK and it will create a part by using the revolve command. So let's come on the Fusion 360 workspace. So here I am taking the first example, that is our solid cylinder. To create a solid cylinder, first we have to draw a rectangle. To draw a rectangle, first go to create sketch, then select a plane. Here I am selecting this plane. After selecting this plane, here I am selecting this rectangle command. After selecting this rectangle command, just here I am drawing a rectangle of 50 by 100 mm. And it will create a 50 by 100 mm. Now finish the sketch. As I finish the sketch, I select here the revolve command. As I select the revolve command, it will ask about the profile. It already select the profile, that is a rectangle. Now it will ask about the axis. If I select this axis, it will create a hollow cylinder. But I want to create a solid cylinder, that's why I select this axis and it will create a solid cylinder. Now the next one is the type. Here I select the angle. As you select the angle, it will ask about the angle. If you enter here 90 degree, it will revolve that particular rectangle up to the 90 degree. And if you want to create a solid cylinder, then you have to enter 360 degree and it will revolve that rectangle around an axis up to 360 degree and it will create a solid cylinder like this. Now come on the next example, that is our torus. To create a torus, we have to draw a profile. So go to create a sketch, then select a plane. Here I am selecting this plane. After selecting this plane, here I am creating a circle. The diameter of the circle is 50 mm. After creating a circle, finish the sketch. As I finish the sketch, again go to revolve command. It already select the profile. Then it will ask about the axis. As I select this axis, it will create a torus, as you can see. So by using revolve command, you can create many parts. Thank you for watching this video.